Welcome back to Learn with Laptech channel. Today we came back with another interesting video, that is online pH or ORP meter. So this is our pH or ORP transmitter. This is a display unit. This is our sensor which is dipped in the sample solution. Let's see the technical specification of this transmitter. And then we'll check about the display description. On the top we have pH. So the same meter could be used for either pH or ORP, but the only difference in terms of pH, it will be displayed in pH, and we could see the pH value there. And the next is about the voltage value corresponding to the pH. And the next is the temperature plus the unit, and this ATC is an automatic temperature compensation. And the down, we could see the relay outputs. Relay 1 output, relay 2, and next is the current output, 4 to 20 milliamps output. Let's see the menu structure. The first one is measurement, and you have to click in. You will get two types. One is electrode and then temperature. In electrode, type and unit. So in type, we have both, as I've told earlier, either pH or ORP, and both their unit will be, for pH it's pH and for ORP it's millivolt. Next is about the temperature. There we have type, offset, input, and next is unit. So in terms of temperature, there we have different types. You can just choose any of them, depends on your temperature. And then the temperature offset. And next is temperature input. It could be either automatic, if you are entering it automatic, if it's automatic, it's okay. If you are entering it manual, you can enter it there. The unit is as usual, either degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Next menu is of the calibration. Here we have standard calibration, field calibration. In terms of standard calibration, US standard is there, NIST standard is there. In USA, we have 3, 7.00, 4.01, 10.01. In NIST, 6.86, 4.01, 9.18. For ORP, the standard solution, the value is by default, it would be of 235 millivolt. Next is of field calibration. So we have the types in field calibration, offset adjustment, field offset slope correction. Next is of the alarm menu. There we have two relay outputs, relay 1, relay 2. It is able to, to find out whether it has the higher value or lower alarm value. The main thing is, we could find the status also in the relay. The next important part is about the output. We have the current output 1, current output 2, and the RS-485 communication output. Let's see the sample demo. So here the transmitter, the sensor dipped in a normal distilled water. And here we have the 3 different samples which have 3 different pH points. So let's go into the sample demo. So let me first immerse the sensor, our pH sensor, into the first sample solution. These are 3 different samples with different pH points. So you could able to find 3 different values there in the display. The value is 4 pH. By the way, we have to immerse the sensor, pH sensor, into the second sample. So we could check the value is changing, depend on the sample value. So it's 6.79 pH. So by the way, we'll just check the sample by dipping into the final sample solution. Before that, we are just immersing into the distilled water. So finally, the third sample with the pH range of 9 pH. This is all about our pH or ORP analyzer. Thanks for watching our channel. We'll surely come back with another interesting video. Thank you.